Hey guys, how's it going? I have a question for you. Please leave a comment down below because I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. But if you're camping, you've gone to a nice RV resort or maybe a campground and you've got your camper set up, you're enjoying your little vacation, and you decide that you want to go into town, maybe go to a museum or hang out at a winery, whatever. So you're going to leave the campground. When you leave, do you lock your camper or do you just leave it unlocked? I know people who do it both ways. We have friends who just leave their camper unlocked all day and they're fine with that. They don't have any problem with that. And that's cool. We happen to be the locking types. So when we leave, especially we're going to be gone for a couple hours, we like to go ahead and lock the door on the camper. My concern with that, just in the back of my mind, is, what if something weird happens and somebody needs to get in there? For example, we like to travel with our dog, little Abby. She's a miniature golden doodle. She likes to camp. And when we leave, we'll leave her in the camper, and she'll just sleep all day. It's just like if we were at home. But again, if something happens and somebody needs to get in there for whatever reason, I'd like to at least have a way for somebody to be able to get into the camper. And if we lock it and we have the keys, then it's pretty much, no way for anybody to get in. So that's why RV Lock has intrigued me. RV Lock makes keypad locks for campers, which we have on our front door at home. Punch in a code, it unlocks, we can get in the house. And I think it's a great idea for a camper as well. If we leave for the day, something weird happens, somebody needs to get in there, or we just need to call a friend to say, hey, go in and, grab whatever. I don't know, whatever. We can just give them the code and they can get into the camper. RV Lock had not made a model that would fit our Hurricane motorhome. I've been looking at it off and on over the last couple of years. And I recently saw on the Facebook group a shout out to the Thor Hurricane and Wind Sport owners Facebook group. If you're not familiar with it and you have a Wind Sport or a Hurricane, you really should get into this group because there's a ton of great information there. But I had seen that some people were able to get an RV lock, keypad lock for their motorhome, and it's working great. So I went to the website. Yeah, it looks like they do make a model that will fit our motorhome. When you go to RV Lock's website and you start looking to buy one of these, they won't let you just buy it. They want you to go through a fit guide process, basically doing all kinds of measurements on your existing lock and door just to make sure that what you're buying will actually fit. They don't want you buying it, try to install it, won't fit, have to ship it back, go through all that hassle. So what I'm doing today is I'm up here at storage here in the motorhome, and I'm going to go through that fit guide. I'll let you follow along with me. We will take all the measurements, check out everything about the door and the lock, see if it's going to work. Hopefully it will work. I'll order one. We'll get it installed, and you're coming along for all of that. So you can see my impressions of that lock, how this whole process goes. So let's move over to the door and start looking at that fit guide and see what we need to do. Okay, so I've gone to the rvlock.com website, and I've launched the fit guide. First question is what kind of rig do you have? You can see they have travel trailer, fifth wheel, camper, class A, class C. So we are a class A, so I'll select that. Hit next. What's the current handle on our motorhome? Ours is this one, this top one here. Okay. Is your door 1.5 inches thick? Remove your current handle to get accurate results. And okay, so let's remove our handle and measure the door thickness, and we'll see if it's 1.5 inches. All right, so it's 3 screws They are tight. Need to get behind the screen for this last one. Okay, 3 screws are out. Just look at the fit guide. It wants to know if our door is 1.5 inches thick. So let's measure it. And we are exactly 1.5 inches. Do you have a calibration rod, and which way does it bend? Here's my existing handle. This one. So I don't think I have one. See, I don't have a rod, it looks like. So my answer to the fit guide is no calibration rod. Does your door have this latch type? Yes. Which side are your hinges on? These are on the right side. We have your fit. Atlas handle for Class A and C motorhome, 2nd generation. Doors 1.5 inches thick. So it looks like the Atlas is the model that will work for our motorhome. The Atlas looks like that, which I think would fit. So based on the fit guide, I think that Atlas will work for us. So I'm gonna put this back together. And then I think I'll order it, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay.